Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add text to your images using Leonardo AI. In order to do so, first off, you're going to want to make sure that you go to app.leonardo.ai and that you're logged in, and once you're there, you should be met with a screen that's similar to this. I have already generated an example here just to give you an idea of how this works. So you can see my prompt here, a city skyline in the future, a neon billboard that says welcome to the future, and we put that in quotation marks, and there's some additional details there. But we'll go ahead and now just give you an idea of what the results are. So you can see here that I got 4 results from Leonardo, and they are somewhat mixed results here. So this is just to give you an idea of what to expect when it comes to image generators. We have these 3 here that didn't really turn out that well. The text seems to be somewhat gibberish. However, this one here in the middle did turn out quite nicely. So you could see there it says welcome to the future, and you've got a really cool looking futuristic city, and you've got all these different cars, and so there's some really neat stuff there as a result. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect as far as creating text in your images for Leonardo. Pretty much across the board with any image generator, you can try to get text in there. However, it really depends on the AI. Sometimes it doesn't handle text all that great, so you just have to do your best to be as specific as possible. You're going to get the results that you are going to get, and then you'll have to just sift through those and find the best ones. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.